umba arfsan kali bat Spah Ngut AA ki Pulit ke Assam, Kynthup ki Shipai ke 11 Gorkha Regiment, ki Pulit CRP haka arpulai trik mentau benai, ki Leit bantur Biang syaka senong Umwali, kata haka cakaba ki temu ban senai ka ketem Pulit ke jongki harut jongkawa umlon. Ya kita ki Pulit ke Assam la senran lang ru de ki pajba Nepali ki basyong basa akate ke than. Bat kate ke jingjag la jah ka por kumba shibje khatsan, bat la subajuru ba kate ke jinglej Biang jongki Spah Ngut ki Pulit ke Assam. Kalong le se bandej bu jupor ka ketem Pulit ke jongki ha kate ke jaka kate ke jingle jongka Assam ban wanra bat pendon kamru di Shipai kala penlengo ru om tangi pajba nong sengsnong kate ke than ndre wadi ki he Pulit jongka West Khasil district badi ki bobon balang ha ka ba ka jing sha kam pada dei e ka kamram ban wanra ki Shipai ha kate ke jaka ha ka ba ka ne kala penlong ki pajba khasi kate ke than ban pau ki jing penram ka bujur shushu wala kite ki Pulit ke Assam ki Leit ha kate ke jaka ndre na kalyang ki Pulit ke West Khasil district haka jingelam jung ba ai khar kongor SDPO Commotion Road uba di Mauleng Circle Inspector ka Nongstony lambat ka jingdon langru ugolan sangma Officer in charge kalang pi haringkat kumba lai pungut AA ki Pulit ke jila ba Kynthup ru ki Pulit SF10 kimshim la ailat haka ba kane klami ki jingi tainia ka bane katu ka nepor shushu adin kete ki jingi tainia ka bajur bha lawan poiru uba CP Maukon EAC ka West Khasil District bana ka jingi kran ki loong babaro arliang ken haban ab ka rajung ki ar sarkar kumta kala penlong Biang ki Breu bat ki Pulit Assam bagian haban Leit Paino na kate jaka
Ka phaitin re tandur ngane
Executive Magistrate. So our forces are planning to build an outpost here, and I think that we've been prevented from doing so.
Yeah, this is after all disputed area.
Okay.
And this matter is being taken up by our higher ups.
Yeah.
And we've been told that there's a meeting between our DCs next week
Okay.
in Shillong.
Okay.
So let the matter be, settled down now. You have your force, we have our force.
Okay.
So let it just settle down now. Let it be taken up by higher ups.
Yeah, I understand all of that. But then setting up camp here, it's not right, no?
We don't have a camp here. We have
All
one at
these-
Longping. That is
these
not our camp.
Whose camps are those?
This is the public's house. You can talk to the public.
It is Manohar Ghar niki? But also, I understand this is the disputed area, but then officially till now, from here, stretching till at least 8 kilometers, all falls under Assam, no?
That is your opinion. My opinion is different. No, but
No, it's not my opinion. I'm just saying officially.
what I'm saying is, if this is a matter is be taken up by a
Higher
higher
authorities, I understand, but as of now, that falls under Assam. As of now,
it's disputed area. We don't know whether it falls under
no,
Assam or
it falls under Assam, but you
That
have
is your
disputed.
opinion,
Not my opinion, sir. That is what is in the map. Okay, and I have gotten the map.
No, you can bring your map. It doesn't matter to us because it's to be taken up by our higher ups. Huh?
Listen, I'll tell you something. These maps were created in 1972. Okay, right now. So this is the Assam Meghalaya. I'm just showing. You might not believe me. That's another thing. It is my duty to tell you. Okay. Unki nasa tam log eta.
but
So-
1972 is fall on the
Hey, Kharmani.
কেতিয়াৰ map এখন?
আৰু সেইখন আছে নহয়
1900 কিমান চনৰ map?
19 কিবা 64
1964. So according to my lot model, this is a 1964 map. Okay. Right now, Umwali, Umwali. So this is the place we are right now. Okay. And this is the Assam Meghalaya border, which falls 10 kilometers inside. I'm going according to this. Okay. And this has been, I mean, it is disputed, of course, but this has been widely accepted before, but now
Like I
this is
said, it
disputed.
is disputed.
Yeah, but sir, I'm
next
just
week,
telling you.
next week there's a meeting. No, let them.
Yeah, let him do, but I just like to request that don't like kindly don't set up camps and all. Then
Look, officially, there's no camp. No.
Okay.
We have our people here because you have to understand. Last week, our Assam, what did he do? Directly he targeted a woman.
उस दिन तो बात हुआ था कि हम लोग जा रहा है आप लोग भी
no,
जा
sir,
रहे
I'll tell you one thing.
And last year, there was a lathi charge here. All of them, women. 24 women were lathi charged by Assam police. So there is
So
fear
under-
among the people.
No, that I understand. But if the women charge our forces,
Are you sure women charge your force? It's not like that.
no, but why would our police attack the women? You tell me.
Last week
I
also.
mean, of course, the women would have definitely come ahead and charged them. No, only then they would have defended themselves.
And we're
Otherwise,
talking about women here.
Yeah.
If it was a man, I can.
see, I know it is no point victimizing women here because we have no interest in hitting women.
That's
Okay,
fine.
that's the
And
least.
yet it's happened twice in 2 years.
No, that is because the women have charged ahead.
I don't
Charged, no?
Their
See.
story is, their version is different. No?
Who's?
The women.
Of course, they'll tell you a different story.
And then
Of
there
course,
are the
you
videos
tell me
also.
one thing. You tell me one thing. With all this force, we've come with all this force to attack women. Of course not.
I don't know. Last week
No,
he,
what-
he targeted women first. No?
Is it the duty of the forces to target women?
I don't know, man.
yeah,
That
it is
happened.
not.
No? It happened. No?
It is not. So what
And
I'm
we are going by prior
See,
experience.
yeah, what I'm telling you is just let it be decided by the higher authorities. We cannot do anything. Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is, what happens is, because this is disputed from both the sides, what happens is if you set up camp here, or wherever, the people out here, like the public there and the public here, they get agitated.
That's what. No? Like,
Okay.
like that day, no? Your,
Yeah.
your ADC and your additional speaker. No? And then they said, like, they're going to set up camp here. Did we put anyone here? No. All of us are sitting on the roof.
Okay. So you have no problem if we set up camp here.
No, we have a problem. Because it's disputed area, that's why.
So according to you, from where is it disputed?
It's not up to me.
Okay.
It's not up to
So
me.
you
It's
have-
all higher ups, no?
No. What I'm trying to ask you is, what is your boundary? Like, where do you think it's
I
disputed
think
from?
I am here for LODT. I'm not here to
So you
determine the
see,
boundary.
that's what I'm trying to tell you. None of us are actually like you are. I'm sure because I have my map. You're not sure where exactly it is disputed from, right?
Why not? We know.
Tell
this
me
is
from where.
disputed.
From
It
where?
is from here, no?
Tell me the boundary from
Lampi
where.
also is there.
So according to you, Lampi is also falls under Meghalaya.
According to me and according to
Just be very
our
careful. It's
higher-ups,
under record. Okay.
That's what. No?
Yeah.
Lampi is disputed. No?
Okay.
I'm not saying it's Meghalaya or Assam or Bangladesh. I'm saying it's
So
disputed.
according to you, Lampi is the disputed part of.
Everyone knows that.
Okay. So if we set up camp in Lampi, you'll still have a problem.
I don't know. It's up to our higher ups. No? Let
That's
them take
what
it
I'm
up.
trying to tell you. All this is unnecessary talk. What I'm trying to tell you is, don't set up.
We're not setting up
Yeah,
anything.
don't set up any type of camps or whatever, and let's avoid groups of people coming and staying here. Okay.
Yeah.
We have done this.
Yeah, you have done
no,
this. You brought the people also.
No, because we've seen this. No, this is our like it is your duty to protect law and order.
That's what.
To maintain law and order, it is our duty to maintain law and order as well. Okay, we are in the same country.
That's what.
Okay,
Yeah.
we are not enemies. Okay, this is not an international border. This is an interstate dispute,
That's
which
right.
is going to be solved by the higher authorities.
Exactly.
Our duty is to maintain law and order.
That's
okay,
right.
so let's not
That's
create
what we're
any
doing.
kind of situation where people get hurt.
That's what.
Okay, so people get agitated when there are groups and all this. Okay, I assure you from my side there'll be nothing like
okay,
that.
and-
Okay,
yeah.
and just don't block the way and
We
don't
don't
sit
block
on the road or
We don't
something
block
of
the way.
that
You
sort.
can talk to the people.
Okay.
Have we ever obstructed the people or the traffic that is
I'm,
moving in the road?
no,
one.
I'm just telling you. This is my duty to tell you, sir. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know what you do here. Okay, so it is.
If you receive complaints from public, you can come to us. No.
Okay.
Maybe my men, they might.
And also getting bulletproof cars and everything. This is kind of this is not right.
Avoid
No?
better.
Well, we don't know. No. You brought how many men? You got.
No, we brought men because we've seen bulletproof cars, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
We don't know. Last year something happened. We have to prepare for the worst. That is our duty.
Like where shots fired at your personal last year.
Lathi charge was at the women.
Okay.
We don't know. It could get worse.
So lathi charge does not warrant a bulletproof car to be
no,
here.
it does because we all carry arms.
See, what happens is when you do things like this, when you bring all these things, it agitates people. Okay,
It's
that's
not
what I'm trying
targeted
to.
at the people.
Anyways,
we don't expect firing to come from the
anyways,
public.
what I'm trying to tell you is,
Yeah.
let us maintain a state of law and order.
That's right.
Okay. Let's maintain communication. It's going to be solved by the higher authorities.
Why don't you keep my number? I'll keep your number. In
Sure,
case
sure.
anything, we can.
Sure.
আৰু কেম্পটো নিব লাগে ছাৰ
Kundu.
এইটোতো নহ'ব
Please don't set up camp.
We don't have a camp. That is my assurance to you. We don't have a camp.
Okay.
We have a camp at Mafti. You have your camp at Mafti.
তেওঁলোকে কৈছে যাতে কোনো camp নাই বোলে.
বাংকাৰ বনাই দিছ ইজ ওৱান
They're saying that that's a bunker. They're building a
That's
bunker.
a bunker. Why would I keep a bunker out there?
Or are you setting up camp?
I'm telling you.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. So will you be fine if 2 of my people go and check?
Yeah, our men are sleeping there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So will be fine if 2 of my people go and check?
No, what
What's-
for?
Like to check what is it?
Our men are sleeping there. No,
Sorry?
our men are sleeping there.
Women are sleeping.
No,
Or
no,
men
they're
are, your
not
men are
women.
sleeping.
You want us to sleep outside?
This is
No, right now are your men sleeping?
No, they are all here. No?
Yeah, so I just want 2 of our people to go and check if
Yeah,
it's...
what for? I mean, you look at the Nepali.
See,
people
No,
getting
who
agitated.
are these people to speak
Yeah, who are
on
these
behalf of the
No.
government of Assam?
I am talking.
Then who are those people who are speaking, sir?
Lower your voice, please.
Please, sir. Please,
Please
sir.
lower your voice.
No,
None of my voice-
they are local living.
No.
Yes,
No, sir. Then
they are
don't allow
also
them-
no,
don't allow them to speak, sir.
Suniye, they are also
I am
local living.
also an officer.
Okay.
I have a right to speak,
Yeah.
and I don't like people intervene when two officers speak, sir.
Okay.
And we are talking.
with respect,
Who are
sir.
these people?
With respect.
No, they
No,
are
what I'm saying is, see, listen. What I'm saying is, people have, see, when people see these kind of structures coming up, they feel a little insecure. Because this is disputed. It's bound to happen, no? So, you are saying it is not a camp. I'm just saying, like, 2 of our people go and see what is there. And if they get the assurance that it's not a camp, it's not a camp.
It's not a camp.
I understand it's not a camp. I'm just saying 2 of our people will go and see what is there. If it's not a camp, then what is there to worry about?
Yeah, you don't know.
See, you're denying that means it is a camp. No,
We
there
are
is something.
sleeping there. We have to sleep somewhere.
I understand. I mean, there's nothing wrong in seeing your bunker, right?
It's our place to sleep, sir.
See, I understand. I mean, I understand. It's a private space. Okay. We'll just go and check from the outside. Okay, if it's not a camp, then why are you worrying? It's okay.
We don't worry at all, sir.
There's no problem.
It's not a camp.
I'm just saying, not just